Assalamualaikum teman-teman, kembali lagi di channelku, Muhajirin Manusia Gagal Ganteng dan Terancam Kaya.
You okay?
No, I'm in big trouble. I really need your help, please.
What's wrong?
It's this.
A gun.
Yes. Charlie made me carry it in my purse for him. He didn't want the cops to find it, so he made me take it. And now he's gone, and I don't know what to do with it.
Charlie. He's one of Dog Eye's people, right?
Yes, and you took over, right? So in a way, the gun is yours too. You'll take it, won't you?
Sure, I'll take it. That's it? That's your big problem.
Yes. Thank you so much, Wei. I knew I was right to trust you.
Don't worry, Tiffany. I'll take care of it.
Thanks, Wei. You're the greatest.
Hello?
Raymond, I got something.
What is it?
Something for ballistics. A weapon belonging to one of Dog Eye's men. Do you know Charlie Pang?
Wait, how did you get Charlie Pang's gun?
Never mind. Can you use it?
Alright, meet me. I'm on my way.
Andrew? What are you doing here? Where's Raymond?
This is something I wanted to handle personally, Wei. Do you have Charlie Pang's gun?
Yeah.
I'm sure you've noticed that guns are something of a rarity in Hong Kong. Not like in the States. This particular gun is quite important.
So who's the dead guy?
I was hoping you'd help me with that, actually. Officer Shen, take up a firing position. Okay, you ready? All right, listen. It's simple. We'll have to recreate the fight.
You think you can rip me off? Oh, hang on. Let's just talk about this. Fuck you. 買佢單，買佢單啊 ！Let's go. Damn it.
First, he was in cover behind the barricade. Get down behind that barrier. Good. I want you to put some bullets in a few things. Where are you going, Wei? We're not done here. All right, good. By now, the van must have appeared on the scene. Then he must have run to over there. Shooting at the guys over there. There was a shooter, firing shots from the passenger window. But he couldn't get a clean shot, so he pushed forward. One more thing. He would have tried to get away, but Charlie disabled the car. Your weapon, officer. Good firing, Wei.
Penju! What are you doing?
I told you he wasn't important. Now he is. He's going to help us nail Charlie Pang. It's for the greater good, Wei. You understand?
I don't think I do, sir.
Wei, I know who you are. You're just like me. You do what must be done. Local PD is on their way. You should go.
你叫醒佢啦！係啊，而家。
What's going on?
Dog Eyes shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
你同我冚唪唥叫醒佢哋啊！
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait. He went after your family?
大佬 everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發。
Listen up! We're hitting a sweatshop on the waterfront. All his drugs move to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Gaton in the shallow grave. Yeah! It's over!
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course I'm f***ing sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suha alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Get in.
Dog Eyes gotta know he the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there, and we need Suha alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eyes' biggest moneymaker. They're not.
What are you trying to do?
But you want me unarmed.
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun and use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eyes' drug dealers to prove it? All right? It'll be my pleasure. All right, here's the plan. I'll look over the back door. Wait for my signal to attack.
What? You seen the new carriers?
The ones?
Silver. Thinking to getting one for my girl.
And what Dog Eyes pays you?
Well, don't cost anything. If you don't
I know him.
Get him.
Hey, what's his problem? Didn't you hear? Can you do something? Jimmy Fool? She's a Brooklyn.
Who the f is this?
夠姜你開拖啦，笨！
見識下我哋啲嘢。It's Winston Gate！
投降我，就放過你而家。一嘢手鳩佢皮啦！得唔得佢？哇！屌啊！哇！嚇撚死我啊！一嘢手鳩佢皮啦！
哇！你睇佢啊！哇！ Hey, who are you?
I think I got one! Fuck,
gonna die！拎佢落垃圾桶，踢佢屎啊！佢哋殺叔㗎，睇住！係咁啦，踢佢落位！而家開片啊，幾個都冇咁。喂，翻屋企揾你老母啊！兄弟，我打爆佢！等我話你知咩叫眼前一黑啊！仲打咩？打爆佢！打啊！抽啊！上神多啲！嚟啊！瞄準！
Seru, you're coming with me.
You're not taking me alive! Stop! All right, light it up! Come on! Ah! Stop goddamn chasing me!
He's really hurting! Run! Run!
Those dog guys is gonna kill you! Ah! Come on, quick! Guys! Help me! What are you doing? Let go of me! You're wrong people! God damn it, let go of me! Please, don't move! I said, don't move! Let go of me! Ah!
啊！
I'm done. What are you doing? You know what you just did? You're dead. You're dead. Look, I'm not afraid of dog eyes. Dog eyes? Mother...
That was crazy! Seru. Nice to meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride with me. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Sat down my life since I'm sitting here watching you pick which car you want. Come on.
serious. Are you trying to insult me? That car's crap!
Let me fix my car up. Then I'll take you. Easy.
Fine. It's your funeral. Not much. You? How's your dad? I told you! That's what you need first, alright? You coming out soon? I'll tell you about it later.
How's the race circuit, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy Wei Shin? Supposed to be Sun On Yi.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away?
Sun On Yi's in trouble if he is.
I'm 18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. No one hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. He races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Yes.
Inspector, it's Wei. Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where it went?
Not yet. And one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Naz suspect I'm a cop.
Naz Singh, the drug smuggler?
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
Guys playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No! I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Naz myself.
All right, Wei, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share, juga nyalakan loncengnya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan. Sekian dan terima kasih, dan nantikan video selanjutnya.